means that Gene has generated, as we say this AI, has generated lots of intellectuals, lots of legends, lots of engineers, lots of change makers. Gene has generated or has built lots of challenge takers, because there are some engineers around the world that are working in one of the biggest companies like Dangote, some people that Gene has built to travel around the world. I can cite many names. There are a lot of people, a lot of legends, and others who are still here in Senegal but continues to make impact, teaching, right? So, one of the most interesting one of the best action in the world is giving somebody a knowledge. Giving somebody knowledge, there's no word, sorry. Giving somebody knowledge. Why? Whatever you teach to someone will help him grow, or will help him change, or will help him initiate something because of the knowledge. In English, as me, I can witness that. It's because of English that I have done a lot of things. It's because of English that I have traveled the world. It's because of English that I have had my best opportunities. So this language that is uniting us, all of us here together. This language is the reason why we are gathering here and trying to have fun, right? They say English lovers. Wherever they gather, now it starts to build up. Now it starts to show. Talented people start to show. So, without further ado, I'm not gonna continue talking because we have a very interesting program today. Because first of all, the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to listen to our dear president. Tey la ñuy jox nomba tànk li national bi suñu président ba mu foloo léegi n'est-ce pas xam nañ ni président bu foloo si jour élection bi ay après xaw ñaata mois un mois après lañ koy jox affaire yi daanaka. Donc today he's gonna tell us what is he ready for, Gine? What is he ready for this legacy that our dear coach Joe, Seydou, Babaka, Mulai, other heads here have led you on. So you have a big responsibility, right? We will receive our dear coach of the center, the representative of the center, Galle and Ondiran, because without the center, Gine wouldn't take place. So we will receive him here today. And then we will do some very fun games. On va faire des jeux, on va jouer, on va apprendre. We're going to learn a lot. And then we're going to do giant things. Who knows giant things? Who?
Me.
Who?
Me.
Who is saying you? Your last name is Jai? And you more, you know? More than the whole world. Why go to beautiful? Huh? Yes, say.
You say that? The things of the giant.
Yes.
Please. If those things is found here, any else? What is the giant?
No, it's the giant things, but we have to share. We say it's not. It's not what? No, every now and then, not all of them are like Gine, they form it. You can explain it now, chaque jour, they have a nouveau initié. Donc, Inch'Allah, we will try to rush it, We're going to symbolize this all of French and, make it better. we're going to have the presentation of Gine. So we're going to try to watch a projection about Gine's history and what the objective, the goals of Gine. After that, we're going to watch an exhibition about Thiaroy history. Do you know about Thiaroy? Then, and it was really, it was made by one of the core members here, Yeumbeul, and the DJ today. And we're going to have a general knowledge exchange. I told you there's going to be some knowledge that are going to be shared here. And now, the speech of the elders, the core members, I can say, the foundation of Gine. Those people who are carrying that foundation, who have built, I can say, the foundation of Gine, will come here and talk to you and tell you, inspire you, tell you about like what they are doing now and in what has Gine given them as a gift, what has Gine inspired them to do in their daily life, right? And maybe if we have time, we're going to have a question, answers and question, Q&A, asking back and forth to them, like asking them about their life and stuff. And then we're going to have some talent shows, we're going to have Kendu and Sogna. They're going to have a wonderful duo, Fakile Sonko doing a wonderful slam, and Yeumbeul is going to sing for us with his marvelous voice. Donc, du sans plus tarder, without further ado, clap your hands to our president, Mohamed Drame. Come on stage, DJ. Please sound for Mohamed. Next, to call our coach, where is Sadio? Where is Sadio? Dear coach, clap your hands again for him. So, as one of the core representatives, whenever they have events or anything else they organize. So let's hear from him. And yeah, thank you.
Et bonjour à tout le monde. Et aussi vous dites tout le monde ici bienvenue. Je parle aujourd'hui au nom de tout le personnel du centre d'administration. Je suis très heureux aujourd'hui d'être parmi vous et aussi célébrer aussi le nouveau volet et une nouvelle responsabilité pour quelqu'un au niveau du département. Et aussi, c'est tout à fait normal que le centre aussi a créé ce club de lecture, ce club d'anglais, pour offrir un cadre, donc un milieu pour tous les élèves et étudiants de pouvoir échanger aussi, par faire leur communication, surtout en anglais. Vous le savez tous comme moi aujourd'hui. L'anglais occupe une place importante et très essentielle, aussi bien dans vos études, aussi en même temps, aussi dans votre travail et surtout dans l'ouverture du monde. Donc, tout le monde, je vous souhaite aussi, vous encourage aussi à mieux échanger et à communiquer et de ne pas avoir peur. Moi, je ne suis pas un anglophone, mais je n'ai pas peur aussi de dire des bêtises en communiquant. Donc, we afraid to speak English. Voilà, je vous encourage et vous souhaite de bienvenue à tout le monde ici. Et aussi, vous souhaite une excellente expérience. Enjoy learning and have fun. Donc, je ne suis pas un bon anglophone, mais je sais et je vous encourage tout le monde. Ok, merci beaucoup.
Thank you, Let's enjoy learning and have fun. As you say, thank you so much. I want to ask some people to tell me about what has English done for them. What have they done, like with the language English? Why? Everything you do, you should have an objective, right? And a goal for it. Les ploys de fongam objectif. Donc, moi, beaucoup ben ñaari personne, you know, peut-être. Why English is important and what has it done for them? Who can tell me? Just maybe you can get up, stand up and shout it out. Puisque peut-être micro bi day am dérangement sooy déplacé. English lovers should not be shy.
English is very important, you know. English is very important because many people around the world use English to communicate, study, and work.
Wow, clap your hands for her. English is very important because many people around the world use English to communicate and study and work. And that's damn true, right? And we all know it. Thank you so much. Who else can tell us something else? Yeah, she has said it all? Who? Who can comment? Yes, come on. Come on here. Come on, come. Yes. Tell us what's your name? Esa? Dem. Oh, Dem.
Assalamu alaikum, everybody. My name is Okinjai. According to me, I think that English is very important because it's a language of science and in the internet, and it's also one of the most important language in the world. If you speak English, you can make friends in the whole world. I think that. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. That's so important. It's very important, and thank you so much, as you can see. So we will hear more about every one of you later. So is the documentary ready? Huh? So I don't like a very quiet crowd. So I'm going to restart the warm-up again about Jinek. Are you ready? Yes. Jinek, yeah? Yeah. Jinek, yeah? Yeah. Jinek, yeah? Yeah. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Yes, thank you. So next, I want to call, where's Fatkin Sonko? Are you, Nan, welcome to the Gers. Yes. Okay, you just come there. You just come, right? Mën nga ñëwaale direct wala bañu may la tuuti tempérament toogal tuuti dama doon woote rek naka de ñëw nga gisuma la sax. Where is Kendu and Soxna? Hey Kendu, looy laqatu? Why are you hiding? Kendu, come here. Moo comme Nigerian, come here. Kendu, come here.
We are not just a club. We are a house of harmony and a home of understanding. We often say we need to learn English, but let's be honest. English is just a bridge, but we are really building here our connection. We are breaking the walls of silence and building the bridge of communication. In this Galle, every mistake in English is a step toward wisdom, and every shared word is a seed of friendship. To our visiting club, Success, this is Haji Brahmajo, English Club, Momar Manen, English Club, Renaissance, English Club, Yeumbeul, English Society, Extra. Your presence today makes our house bigger and our harmony louder. We are not competition. We are company on the same journey toward excellence. Guys, the beauty of the snack shack isn't just the food we will eat. It is the symbol of sharing. Just as each one of us bring a different dish to the table, each one of us bring unique life to this community. Wisdom tells us that if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. Today, by being here, we are choosing to go far. We are choosing to grow. not just an English speaker, but as a leader and as brothers and sisters. To my fellow Genek members, thank you for your hard work and for making this club a place of peace. To our supervisor, thank you for your guiding, for your step, wisdom. Let this afternoon be provided with laughter, bring conversation, and the joy of being together. So, without further ado, I declare this next share officially open. Long be Genek, long live our partnership, and may our harmony continue to grow. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Mr. President. Clap your hands louder, please. For our dear President, thank you for your wonderful speech. So raise your hand if, when you were coming here, you took a car, but then you hit an engine motor. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if when you hit raise your hand if amo palaway bay sila. You have some dislikes, huh? You have some likes and dislikes. So what we do is your hand. Okay, raise your hand if you have traveled outside of Dakar. You have gone outside of Dakar. Raise your hand. Then actually, women don't say, they need a high say. I say, you need to get this in Baram, you're saying. Come on. Small and Muslim. Now what is it, Baram? So Muslim ka Bible. So Muslim ka watch it. Then come here ko ba me akilos hai. Okay, raise your hand. If you have a wife, lower one finger. If you have a wife, lower watch it. One finger is upward. Yeah, only singles. And that will really strengthen them, giving them more energy to fight. So knowing your story, as of Senegal, Senegal is our beautiful land, right? Senegal is our country. Whatever, whichever challenge or battle Senegal is taking or is going through, we must know about it and we must support it. So, that's why Genek has the idea of protecting this movie about Thiaroy and Karakat, that we should listen. And knowing that our grandfathers, even grandmothers, I know it's our grandfathers who used to go to wars, right? But who would be preparing them? The grandmothers. Our grandfathers, they used to be so brave. They have dignity. They believed in their land. They believed in who they were. They believed in their blood. They believed in the strength that Senegal had, the richness, the wealth of our land, and the richness, like the wealth of its people, of its I can say story. So that's why they were fighting so hard. They were, betting their life on that. So that's why we're gonna watch about that. That's why even whenever Senegal is playing as football, you see a lot of people stop their activities to support them. If Senegal is doing anything that requires support, everybody let the activists to do it or to watch it. So that's why, you know, loving your country is part of being patriotic, right? Loving your country is part of being patriotic. So for the English learners. Oops. Okay. And I was urged to speak English there. dañ maa forcé nee nañ ma wax anglais ba mu jeex parce que c'est un club d'anglais donc yéen ñi commencé jàng il faut vous forcer à comprendre, n'est-ce pas? Voilà. So we're gonna do two facts and a lie. What is two facts and a lie? Huh? Yes? Deux faits, un mensonge. Une mensonge. N'est-ce pas? Moi da ngay wax deux faits à propos de toi ak benn mensonge boo xam ne mensonge sa day ëpp mais dañ naan benn kii boo xam ne du dëgg rek nekk yaa ko mais da ngay tromper nit ñi. Métaphore, merci. Et une métaphore. And we have to guess which one is true. We're gonna vote. Who thinks this one is true about him or not? So who wants to volunteer? I can say, oh, I like Domoda. That's the first fact. I love Domoda. And I'm good basketball player. I can play basketball. And I am a GNEC member. That one is clear. So which one is a lie?
Probably you don't love Domana. No.
Thank you. It's a perfect analysis. So in this game, you will have to be psychological. You have to analyze. You have the spying mind, you know, to detect lies. So who wants to volunteer? Who wants to volunteer? Let's, you know, we say snack share. We are not only sharing snack day. We are sharing about our lives. We have to know one another, right? On doit se connaître. On se partage, on est une communauté. Alors, qui est un volontaire ou une volontaire à venir ici nous dire deux faits à propos de lui et une métaphore? Someone? Yes, Pascal, thank you. Clap your hands, give him a hand. Come. So, Pascal, tell us about three facts about you, yeah, but the one is a metaphor, yeah, it's a lie. Hello guys. Okay, my name is Tubeni. Okay, let me present you first. Tubeni is a great artist, he's a rapper. Maybe he's gonna rap for us after. He has produced some music videos in YouTube, and he's the founder of a great organization, which is called Nekkal Support, right? Yeah. Nekkal Support, which is know yourself, be on yourself. So this is Tubeni, D. Pascal. Okay, me first. I'm an engineer. First, he's an engineer. Donc vous devez trouver ce que signifie ingénieur. Yeah. Engineer. Right. Engineer. The second, I'm a professional football player. He's a professional football player. Yeah. Three, I'm a rapper. And I'm a rapper. Yéen lii nag mooy jugement te jugement baaxul. mais da nga xam ne nee na la à propos de lui wax na la ay fait. yow léegi xaaral rek léegi which one do you think I'm gonna sign it again. So he's an engineer. Who thinks he's an engineer? No. Who thinks being an engineer is a lie? Then you're for me being an engineer. He's not an engineer. Qui pense cela? Donc beaucoup. Gars yi xam naa duñ jël. Then you're for me. He is not a rapper. He's a rapper? No. If you didn't, raise your hand if you think it's a lie. Then your family, he's not a professional football player.
Le public a gagné. Vous ne pouvez pas comprendre.
So clap hands for him. Mais technical jeune. Mais Mr. Papis, we are greeting you. I miss you a lot. One of our dearest masters, the pioneers of this club is out there. So glad to have you. It's an honor. So we will wait for, in the last part of this lecture, the speech. We're gonna have fun. So another one. Thank you. Yes, go. Hey, guys, don't be so obvious. Thank you. It's the trick of the game. Let's start. Hey, so let's sit down. Don't be so obvious. Mais mon ingénieur. Mais ingénieur en quoi? Engineer of sound engineer.
My name is Abdullah Sen. I live in Malika. So I am an English lover, a member of Genek and Malika Connection. So I'm very proud to be here today.
Yes, what's the first fact about you?
The first fact,
Yeah.
I am an engineer.
You are an engineer. Wow, we have many engineers here. Okay.
Second, I love manga. I am otaku.
Hey, he's otaku. He loves manga. So
third, I am a very good womanizer.
he's a very good womanizer. Don't have that. Okay, it's very difficult.
This is not a lie. I am otaku. This is not a lie. I am not a womanizer.
Everybody stand up, please. 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 So, let's raise both our hands. Raise both your hands. Raise them high. Let's lower our hands. Let's stretch our shoulders. Let's stretch our shoulders. Let's raise one finger. Let's clap one time. Let's clap thrice. Let's clap thrice. You fell into my trap. No, I said thrice. So thrice is just a slang we used to say twice and three. You know, it's 3 times. So if you hear me, sit down. And let's welcome, if you understand me, let's welcome my dear puppies, Galle, our greatest mentor, only member on stage. Dear puppies. And his name is Puppies. It's not Puppy. P-A and peace, like today in peace. So, welcome on stage. He's going to perform something interesting to us. Oh, please.
I just come here to say what I will do.
No. You got to leave us with something. Right over that.
I'm not going to do anything here. Assalamualaikum. Yeah, the name is Patis Galle, and I'm a member in Genek. Like everybody here, our masters, I'm helloing everybody here. Well, they insist me to have a performance, like I'm just going to narrate some poems. Like I read them back in 2014 and I'm still remembering it. If I don't remember it, so please, I'm so sorry for that. Okay, the poem's name is Be a Man. Be a Man. So, before doing anything, do you know how to be a man?
I think so.
Okay, so can somebody say me here or tell me here, what are the instructions to be a man? What are the instructions to be a man?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
can be having no fear.
Okay, they can have no fear. What is this fear? Okay, so having no fear, everybody can have a fear, I guess. Fear, or how can I say? Fearless is a sickness, right? But if you fear of something, maybe it's good, but we have to be very brave to confront everything. So, I don't have a lot of time because I'm just going to perform that poem now. The poem's name is Be a Man. I heard them say that big boys don't cry, but don't dry your eyes in the guy and realize that these are nothing but lies. Real men do cry, right? Because tears from your eyes is a sign that your heart is still alive. So just be a man. But how? When masculinity and femininity have become more confusing than the Trinity, we teach when our boys become tough. And we saw this no wars. I can upset what they were preaching, how the prison down doors, still society did not decide. Even we were like nice guys, but they always finish last and they always finish it like trash. And we have no problem thanks to the music that finds the woman. But we have problems to peace in the deeds, like everybody is doing like his jobs. And here, we are not going to talk about the things that we fear, but you have to be brave and do whatever you want, with fears and tears and having your fearlessness. But the one here, we are just going to do it now, is we have to focus on the things that we have to move on, and life is becoming easy. If you fear the things that will tear your heart, but you better do whatever you want that you have here. But now, life is becoming very hard, but we better understand that everything is very easy when we understand each other, right? Because man, have no fear. Your courage is here. When you can go from the warm, you go in the warm, when you go in a star, when you go in a lot, from a black, in a line, from a sprung, everyone. So the sun can be easy to know and understand the others. But the thing that we want to do right now is to love Jeanette. Because you know that thank you very much. Thank you so much. The hello was big.
Even though they came from many African countries, such as Senegal, Mali, Guinea, Burkina Faso, and Niger, these men fought bravely on European battlefield. Some were wounded, and was captured and held as prisoner by the German army. They suffered hunger, cold, and humiliation, yet they remained loyal to France. When the war was almost over, these African soldiers were sent back home. They believed they would be welcomed as heroes. They believed they would finally receive the unpaid salary, war bonuses, and compensation for captivity. The reality was very different. When they started to arrive in Senegal, they were placed in a military camp in Senegal, in Thiaroy, near Dakar. The condition in the camp was very poor. The food was insufficient, the treatment was humiliating. Most importantly, the money they were promised was not paid. When they started asking for the salary, the French colonial administration refused to pay them the same amount while French soldier. African soldier was paid less, even though they had fought in the same war. This injustice shocked them deeply. They felt betrayed, they felt disrespect, and they felt forgotten. So they decided to protest. The protest was peaceful. They did not carry a weapon. They did not want violence. The only thing they wanted was justice and equality. They demanded what legally bears, nothing more. However, the colonial authority did not see it that way. Instead of listening, they chose the importance of mutiny, and instead of dialogue, they choose force. The exact number of victims is still unclear. Different authorities officially reported 35 deaths, but history believed the real number was much higher. That day, France killed the very man who had fought to defend her. After the massacre, silence followed. The survivors were arrested. They were judged and condemned for rebellion. Some were sent to prison. No investigation was conducted. No apology was offered. No compensation was given to the family. For decades, the truth about Thiaroy 44 was hidden. It was absent from history book. It was not told in the story. It is closed. It was erased from official memory. But history cannot remain silent forever. Today, Thiaroy 1944 is recognized as a symbol of colonial injustice, a symbol of racial discrimination, a symbol of broken promises, but it's also a symbol of dignity. The soldiers of Thiaroy did not ask for special treatment. They did not ask for privileges. They asked for respect. They asked for equality, and they asked for the right. The history reminds us that freedom and justice cannot exist without memory. Thiaroy 1944 is not just a tragic event in Senegalese history. It is a shared history between Africa and France. Remembering Thiaroy means recognizing the sacrifices of African soldiers. Because a nation that forgets its past is going to repeat it.
Wow.
Guys, behind.
One shot, one opportunity. Let's listen to the game of waters. One more. Would you dare to? Oh, this man is sweet. Yo, man, this sounds sweet. DP, arms and heavy, arms and sweet. Mama's beginning is nervous, but it's almost in his mom and baby, joy, bro. But it keeps coming, if you wake you up, yeah, the whole crowd goes so loud. Yeah, it's his mom, we don't want to go. Now, everybody's talking now, right now. Hands up, oh, for us, not to reality, yo. The girls crying, the folks, nasty,
I am flabbergasted, as I say. The one word in English, I just know. I use it everywhere. Didn't thank you. We have lost ourselves when you were rapping. You brought us to the sky. So, Eminem is one of my favorite rappers. So, loving you, they need alors, on va appeler Mr. Jibril again. Mais cette fois-ci, il va le faire en featuring avec la présidente de l'A English Club, qui est son corps.
He said, you there, you come a little closer. Round and round and round and round we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move make me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want to stay. It's not much if a life is living. It's not something you take, it's giving. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Not really sure how to feel about it. There's something in the way you move make me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay. Ooh, the reason I hold on. Cause I need this hold on. Honey, you're the brighter one, brighter, the only one who need is saving. Cause when you never see the light, it's hard to know which one of us it's giving. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move make me feel like I can't live without you. It really takes me all the way. I want you to stay. The reason I hold out. Cause I need this all gone. For the other brother, one brother, only one who need this same. Cause when you never see the light, it's hard to know which one of us it's given. I'm not sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move make me feel like I can't live without you. But it takes me all the way. I want you to stay. I want you to stay. Thank you guys.
Wow. noise again, please. Let's make some fire. Dinege! 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 Whoa! That's great. We are so proud of our really great members. That was amazing. Let's hop into the serious stuff. And Mr. President,
Okay, thank you, Digi. So, Assalamu alaikum, everybody. First of all, I go by the name of Mohamed Nasir Konate, best known as Black Nasir. Very flabbergasted to be here one more time. And just before starting the show, I would like to thank everybody around here. And then after that, I would like that everybody follow that with round of applause. Round of applause, everybody. Okay, thank you, but this round of applause was not for me, but it was for your elders behind there. Because they are still like paying forward the legacy. As I used to say, this is your legacy. You have like showed it. As they say, you show what you reap, so you reaped it. So one more time, thank you. Be and stay blessed, dear elders and supervisors and dear founder of this English club. Thank you. So now it's high time we head to the show. And then the show will be done by Mr. the President, because I would like to show you that this is a showman and a great showman. Yes, he is among the greatest showman around English clubs, around the suburb and the town that I know. Yes. So now I am going to leave him the mic and then he's going to start the show. Okay. Hello one more time, guys. Okay. Are you ready for the song? All right. Are you ready for the song? Okay. Do you know the Nanangun? The Nanangun. Yeah. Did you please? All right. Okay. If I'm lu ma leen di jox balaa may commencer ku nekk da nga dem nga bokki nattu bëñ bu ko defee bu ma léewee ba pare nga teggi reetaan ba sa xol sedd baax na ayca donc lépp bi dafa nekk benn xale bu jigéen bi dafa am benn faru chinois la am cin coŋ léegi nag yàlla dogal moo faru chinois bi ñuy nekk mu dem ba am ci doom maanaam mu ëmb léegi nag xale bi dem juddu maanaam wasin na jour bi mu wasinee ci jouru ngénte bi ba laax yi tegoog lépp ba ñu tudd xale bi dañ ko tudd ba pare xale bi daal di dee ñëpp di jooy ñëpp tout le monde ñëpp di jooy ba mu des papaay xale bu jigéen bi laaj leen ma lu mu nekkee woon paa bi da doon ree di xaaxataay ñëpp seetlu ne ñëpp a ngi jooy mais paa bi kese mooy reetaan ñu ñëw ko ci moom ñëpp wër ko famille bi ñi ñëwoon ci ngénte bi ñëpp fi mu ne nii moom ngénte gi sax soppeeku na doon dëj ñu ñëw ne ko waa yow ndijaay looy ree xanaa gisoo sa sët bi dee doom ji ne ko waa papa yow looy jooy yow sama doom a ngi dee ba pare looy ree di moins sama doom a ngi dee ba pare ngay reetaan paa bi ne leen da ngeen a bëgg a xam lu may ree gars yi ne ko waaw mais déglu leen ma wax leen way leen damaa xam ne matière chinois du dëgër waaw parce que doom ji made in Chine la made in China
mais ñun non chinois yem nañ leen nag. Never Earl. So, hi ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Before going any further, allow me to introduce myself. The name is Barasain. I live in Avec. Really, I have nothing to say. I just would like to speak in front of people, but I have nothing to say. You get? Okay, so just Frank, you know, this earlier, it is a moment for us to gather, to remember, to turn our link. I mean, it also gives us the feeling to go forward, to learn English too. You know, thanks to English, we are here. Thanks to our future too, because we want to build a future, a great future. So that's why we join English Club every time. So at the bottom, behind, can I get your attention, please? Yep. Okay. So I'm telling something important, something so telling. Okay, so remark something a while back when our master took the floor. He was compelled to speak French, English, and Wolof because there are some people here who can't speak English. It's not their fault. We can't understand that they came in the club, literally. So, the piece of advice that I have to them is to focus on the English club, to focus on, the studies of English club, of English. You see, because the English club is not a place where we go to have a friend, but it is a place where we should go to learn. You see, and it is a shame for me to join the English club and stay the English club and have the 3 or more than 3 months without being able to speak English.
I think that is important, you gotta consider it in your head that if you don't understand or speak English, you know what I mean, you won't do anything about the international business or the kind of thing. It is impossible because we see many craze about it. Yeah. Because I have some leader, when they want in Dubai, they can't understand English and they say that you can't do that kind of thing and they lose it. Yeah. And this is something that I want to share to you, and you're gonna kill yourself about it. Yeah. And the act that you're doing here is gonna be the result that you want to have tomorrow. Yes. And this is something that I want to share with you, and other thing, just to show you that. And I want to invite you in our greatest conference in Grand Theater. We hold the 10th January, and I invite everybody here to assist there. Like a young entrepreneur and English entrepreneur, as an international lecturer. Of Mirafa.
Yeah. Wow, thank you so much. So he's inviting you, Mr. Bara. So he's Bara. You don't want to say something? He is inviting you to Grand Theatre on January 10th, right? Yeah. For young entrepreneurs, as he is a young, devoted entrepreneur.
As I get, I'm the problem quoi. So, as I ni moment lekk bi léegi ñun ñëpp arrêté lekk ñu déglu mën ngeen ko la ilaha illa ñun ñëpp arrêté lekk ñu déglu bu baax nag dégg ngeen. We are calling also someone who's going to be a company for him here, Mr. Karim. Please be up on stage. Clap for him, please. Mr. Karim. I'm saying plat more than like yes. Yeah, Mr. of this club. As you see, you have already seen Sadio. You have already seen dear Coach Joe. You are used to their faces. Maybe the new generation. They don't know this who led the legacy here with them. So, what do you have for us, please? So we are listening. What do you have to tell us, please?
Are you the team? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Are you here or in the market? Are you here or there? I want you to say, we are here, sir, and all ears. Are you here or there? Are you here or there? Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the most independent, I bear witness that there is no God but Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his messenger. This is a greeting words of peace to say assalamu alaikum to all of you. Here is a dean. I'm not a dean. I'm just trying to testify something. You are on the right track. You're doing a great job. And if I see Ibrahim Jau, if I see Jibi, to say I almost shed tears when I saw, when I watched this, I don't know the right adjective to qualify the film, but that was really touching, really touching. And you got your great singer as well. You got a very good command of the English language. And you guys here, I really say some few words to say that you are doing a great job. I've listened to you carefully, and really, this is a legacy, as we say. We were doing not the same, because it is far more greater than what we were doing, but you're doing a great job. We stop at a certain level, but you take it and you put the bar very high, and you have to clap your hand for your own selves. To finish, I will say that here, I'm not going to introduce this dean. He was asking whether he is a dean of GNEC. He said, you put me into your deans. But if Ibrahim Jones told me about, when Ibrahim Jones asked me, explained to me about what he did in Senegal, I said that he deserves a round of applause. Why? Because we love the English language, and we were here, but we were posted in some regions, and we are still doing the same thing. We get our students, and we're trying to do something. And if you say David Job Mendes, I say, wow, because I watch David Job Mendes on TikTok. David Job Mendes English Club. And when Sir D wanted to come to our English Club as well, I said, let me see what you were doing. And I put David Job Mendes performances. I said to my students, you see, we will not be able to do it if you don't do something. You have to try to, at least, because I'm not a loser. I'm telling you, whenever I'm doing something, I don't want to be a loser. I said to them that whenever you don't try to do something, we're going to lag behind. And they did something, and we really did something acceptable. To cut it short, I say one more time, thank you very much for inviting us. Thank you very much for having us. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, yeah, assalamu alaikum. Lii la Olof Njaay di wax invité sa gan ba mu ñëw nga def ko nagu tam xarit. Okay, so I greet you all, and I am Mr. Abdul Karim Fall. Okay, I am the supervisor of David Job Mendes English Club. I used to come here. I know this brother, and I have some brothers here, I can say. Yes, people that I know well, I can say well, because we've been sharing the English language since years. Okay, so I'm very proud to come here, because it's like my own family, because sharing with Mr. Zhao, Mr. Sajo, you know, I have one of my classmates, Mr. Bara, we were in the same class. So this is, I can say, Mr. Jibril, we're sharing like Malik connection. It is a family. Like we say, English lovers are family. English lovers are family. Wherever you go, you feel yourself. And I feel myself here. When I come here, I'm not strange. Okay? So, just to congratulate you, because I also see your videos on TikTok. And what we say is, when we are handling English Club, you look here and there to see what you can gather to make it better. And this is what we're doing all. I learn from you, you learn from me. So we learn, okay, from each other. So this is it. And I thank you for the invitation. If I knew, I would bring my members, my students, and inshallah next time, best time, I will come with them so then they will discover this kind of area. Because what we know in David Yeumbeul, it's not the kind of club we're doing. Okay, our club, I can say it is a club to up. Okay, what we're doing is only learning, no drama, no nothing, only debate, you know, things that, you know, relate to English. So not fun. So bringing them here to see what we are living, because this is what I know. I am from Thiaroy High School, so what I know is English club like this, sharing, doing whatever. But I say next time, best time, I will bring them, inshallah, to meet you and be friends with you, maybe. Okay, thank you.
Who is now taking, the man who is giving after has taken a lot from Tina, and he accepted to give back what he has learned. So let's focus on his activity. It's going to be about general knowledge, culture general, but in English. So dear Sylvia, you have the floor.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I would say it's an honor to present this activity, which is general knowledge. And I wish I would relate it to Mr. Abdullah, because Mr. Abdullah is one of the best general knowledge, you know, keys here in the suburb. So, but anyway, so we will do something, right? I need. So, how many English clubs do you have here, first?
On a combien de clubs d'anglais?
How many English clubs do you have here? How many English clubs?
If you are not part of G,
so we have GNAC. Yeah, which English club? Oh, Yusuf, can you come? Another chair here. We need Kendu on stage. Fatkine Sonko. Mr. Babakar Jah on stage. Mr. Babakar Jah. Yes. Mr. Moore, over there. Come on. Come on. Yes, Malika collection, please, here. Hey, in the chairs. Please, can you bring a chair here? Yes, can you join us, please? Yes. Another one. Sanko, can you join us? Fat Bintu Sanko, can you join us? Or do you have another member from late? Apart from you? Huh? What?
Okay, call him, yeah.
Yes, come on. So here we have some questions about general knowledge. Some questions will be about what am I, and then some questions will be relative to the AFCON. I mean, what we call African nation, African football nation. I mean the CAN. So I'm going to give you one question and give you 3 answers. So you will give me the best one, right? Okay. So we have team A or team B, which is team B. So this is team A. Okay. So we just want to start the game. The first one will be about general knowledge, right? Yes, when you answer, you stand up, right? When you answer, you stand up, yes. But if you miss the answer, they can give the reply. Okay, so let's go. So we'll start by the team A. So the first question is, listen carefully.
And public, be ready. You're going to answer too.
Yes. The question is, what is the largest planet in the solar system? So, answer one, huh? I'm going to give you two answers, huh? You're going to pick the correct one. Answer one, you have Earth. Answer two, Jupiter. Answer C, Saturn. So, which one is correct? Team A. Stand up.
So, I think the good answer is Jupiter. So, I think the good answer is Jupiter.
Public, is that correct? Yes. Okay, very good. The correct answer is Jupiter. So, Team B, the question is, who is credited with inventing the first practical telephone? Who is credited with inventing the first practical telephone? So we have Alexander Graham Bell, B. Thomas Edison, and C. Nikola Tesla. Which answer is correct? Who is credited with inventing the first practical telephone? We have A. Alexander Graham Bell, B. Thomas Edison, C. Nikola Tesla. Give me the correct answer.
The correct answer is Thomas Edison.
Repeat.
Okay. No problem. The correct answer is Thomas Edison.
He said this, the right answer is Thomas Edison. Is that correct? No. What is the right answer?
So, the right answer is Bell, Alexander Bell.
Alexander? Very good. The right answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Yes. So if today you are using your cell phone, it's thanks to Alexander Graham Bell. Thank you. So question number 3. Team A. Who wrote the famous play Hamlet? A. Who wrote the famous play Hamlet? A. James Austen. B. You have Charles Dickens. C. You have William Shakespeare. So, I said, who wrote the famous play Hamlet? A. James Austen. B. Charles Dickens. And then C. William Shakespeare.
So, we think that the right answer is William. So, we think the right answer is William.
William?
So, Philip.
William Shakespeare. Is that correct, people? Yes. So the right answer is William Shakespeare, right? So I heard that Mr. Karim is here from DDM. So Mr. Karim, we're saying welcome. So clap your hand for Mr. Karim, please, guys. So, okay, question number 4 for Team B. The question is, in what year did the First World War end? In what year did the First World War end? In what year? Yes. A, you have 1914. B, 1918. C, 1939. I said, In what year did the First World War ended? Yes. A. 1914. B. 1918. C. 1939.
That's 1918.
That's it?
1918.
She said 1918. Is that correct? Yes, correct answer. That's 1918. Question number 5. Team A. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. You have Michelangelo. B. You have Leonardo da Vinci. And then C. You have Raphael. Who painted the Mona Lisa? The famous paint, Mona Lisa. A. You have Michelangelo. B. You have Leonardo da Vinci. C. You have Raphael. Which one is correct?
So, we think that the right answer is Raphael.
Raphael, no, wrong answer.
The right answer is Leonardo da Vinci.
Very good answer. The right answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Yes, you got the last question for the general knowledge. The question is, what is the currency used in Japan? A. You have yen. B. You have dollar. And C. You have yuan. What is the currency used in Japan? A. You have yen. B. You have dollar. And then C. You have won. Which one is correct?
We think that the right answer is Wong.
Is?
They said Wong.
Is that correct? No.
So repeat the question, please.
The question is, what is the currency used in Japan? A. Yen. B. Dollar. C. Yuan.
So we think that the right answer is yen. Yen.
Yen. Very good answer. So the currency used in Japan is yen. Come on. So let's jump to the what am I? What am I? So I'm going to give some questions and then you give the animal. See? So the first question is, I have 4 legs. I have 4 legs and a tail. I have wickers. People like to keep me as a pet. I have 4 legs and a tail. I have wickers. People like to keep me as a pet. What am I? I have 4 legs. Listen now. I have 4 legs and a tail. I have wickers. People like to keep me as a pet.
So I think the right answer is dog.
Is?
Dog.
They say the right answer is dog. Is that correct? No.
We think that the right answer is cat.
Very good answer. The right answer is cat. Yes. The question is for you, huh? I am a bird. Second question. I am a bird. I can swim. I am a bird. I can swim, but I can't fly. I am black and white. What am I? I am a bird. I can swim, but I can't fly. I'm black and white. What am I?
Black and white. You are a duck.
Huh?
A duck.
Huh?
Duck.
A duck. No? Is that correct? The question is, I am a bird. A bird. I can swim, but I can't fly. I can swim, but I can't fly. I am black and white. What am I?
So we don't know the question? So we don't know the answer.
Yes, public, do you know the answer? They don't have the answer. Yes? Very good answer. It is penguin, huh? It's penguin, yes. Yes, you got the. Let's go for the third question. I have a large tail. I have a large tail and big feet. I can hop along very fast. I live in Australia. What am I?
So we think that the right answer is kangaroo.
Yes, very good answer. It's kangaroo. So the next question is for you guys. The question is The question is, I have thick gray skin. I have thick gray skin. I have thick gray skin. I have big ears and a long trunk. I can spray water with my trunk. What am I? I have thick gray skin. I have big ears and a long trunk. I can spray water with my trunk. What am I?
You are an elephant.
Very good answer. The answer is elephant. Yes. You. I have brown and orange spots. I have brown and orange spots. I have 4 long legs. I am very tall. What am I? Please, public, make less noise, please. I have brown and orange spots. I have 4 long legs. I am very tall. What am I?
So we think that the right answer is giraffe.
Very good answer. The right answer is giraffe. Yes. Yes, this is the last question for the what am I, huh? The question is, I have 2 arms, 2 legs, and a tail. I have 2 arms, 2 legs, and a tail. Tail. I like to eat bananas. I can swim from trees. What am I?
I am a monkey.
Yes, you are a. You say, am I? So you are a monkey. Yes, good, correct answer. Now, for the last section, this is about the CAN, Coupe d'Afrique. So, the first question will be for you guys. How many teams, guys, how many teams currently participate in AFCON finals? You have team, answer A, 20, answer B, 24, answer C, 32. Which one is correct?
So we think that the right answer is 32.
Is?
32.
Is that correct, guys? Repeat the numbers. The numbers are A, 20, B, 24, C, 32. We think is 24. Very good answer. It is 24 teams. Yes, question number 2 for team B. Which country won AFCON 2002? A, you have Ghana. B, you have Cameroon. C, Senegal. D, Egypt. Which country won AFCON 2002? A, Ghana. B, Cameroon. C, Senegal. D, Egypt. Which answer is correct? We think it Egypt. Is that correct? The right answer is Cameroon. Yes, very good answer. The right answer is Cameroon. Now, question number 3. And Cameroon in that year they beat Senegal. Unfortunately. Which team won the AFCON 2021 tournament? Which country won AFCON 2021 tournament? A, you have Egypt. B, Cameroon. C, Senegal. D, Algeria.
So we think that the right answer is Senegal.
Is Senegal. Good answer. Clap your hand for him. Which country hosted AFCON 2021? A, Gabon. B, Cameroon. C, Nigeria. D, Senegal. Listen up, please, guys. Which country hosted AFCON 2021? A, Gabon. B, Cameroon. C, Nigeria. D, Senegal. Which country hosted AFCON 2021?
Recevoir quoi. 2020.
We think that 2021 were received by Cameroon. Yes, very good answer. So Cameroon organized the 2021 competition, right? Come on. Question number 5. Which country hosted the 2019 African Cup of Nations? A, you have Ghana. B, Egypt. C, South Africa. A, Ghana. B, Egypt. C, South Africa.
We think that the right answer is Egypt.
Yes, very good answer. The right answer is Egypt. So, this is the last question, the last question of the game. Who scored the winning goal in the 2021 AFCON final for Senegal? Who scored the winning goal in 2021 AFCON final for Senegal? We think that
is Sadio Mane.
Very good. So Sadio Mane scored the score for Senegal. Yes, so Judy, can you count to know the best team, which team won?
Team A won. So Team B, clap your hands for Team A. Thank you. It was amazing. it was
Nangun, nananangun, nananangun, sangun gungun gun, sangun gungun gun, nananangun, 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 sangun gungun gun, sangun gungun gun. Thank you guys. You know, I'm gonna let the floor to Mr. Yes, Nassim. Thank you. Huh? No, you're gonna have something before join your place. Just perform a poem, right?
Photo famille fay ci ginnaaw dégg ngeen photo famille pour souvenir u snack chef bi da ngeen préparé di ñëw ci activité wu club bi come to the club if you learn 5 bar mi ngi ko doon wax mu ne we are here to learn waaw waa Jinek members yi tamit bu ñu ñibbi dañuy ranger chaise bi parce que suñu sant